Hey guys, what's up? It is Drew here from MechaWorks, and today I have Kat here. This is my fiance, and this is her E36 that I bought her for Valentine's Day last month. And if you notice, we have the garage doors open. It is finally not freezing and raining outside, so taking advantage of the weather, and we're gonna go ahead and start working on the car. What are we doing today?
We're doing the hood struts and the clutch pedal and bushings.
That is what we are doing today. So everybody knows what the E36 is. The clutch pedal, the bushings up top just go, and the pedal gets all wonky and stuff. I'll show you here in a second what that looks like, and we're gonna replace that. So the first thing on the list, we're gonna get these hood struts done, and then we'll move on to the clutch pedal. So let's get to it.
Now turn up.
Okay, so the old ones were completely worn out. The other one's even worse than this side. And the new ones were so stiff, and we fought them for a little bit, and they are on the car now. So you can officially be in the engine bay without getting decapitated by the hood. And they're very stiff, as they should be. Yeah, supposed to open it back up. Let's go ahead and shut it. Okay, I'll go open the... Just making sure they work, you know. Yeah, they work. Okay. Food break, and then do the clutch pedal. Alright guys, so we're in the E36 driver's seat, and the kick panel is off, and you can see the clutch pedal, how far left it is compared to the brake pedal, and it is about 2 inches in front. I can't really get a good shot of it there without the shadow, but it's about 2 inches in front of the brake pedal. So pretty annoying, and we're gonna get all the way up in here, and we're gonna swap this out. But first, let's look at what we got in the parts kit for this. Okay, so let's see. We've got the fuel filter, because God knows when's the last time that was changed. And actually give you a whole new brake pedal. So it is BMW. You can get all this through ECS. They kind of group everything together for you in a kit. New return spring. Have no idea what this is. Just kind of found it in the bottom of the box. The actual bushings. This is what makes the pedal do that. So they sit up in here on this hole. New guide spring. New pivot. I forget what these are called. They're some sort of pivot things. Are you breaking stuff over there?
No, I'm playing with it.
Uh-huh, sure. She's over there breaking stuff, so we have more stuff to fix. Some the circlips, and you get a new rubber pad to go on the pedal. So let's start the time lapse and let's get to it. Shall we? Okay, so clutch pedal is out, and this bushing, I'll bring this over the bench so you guys can see it, but it's pretty much split right here on the side where it's pushing to the left. So, what? So she is actually going to be putting this back together, so I really hope she was paying attention on how I took this apart. I'm not going to give her any words, no tools. She's going to have to figure this out all on her own.
Wait, what?
So let's take this over to the bench. So pedal's out of the car, and you can see where it's split right there, and that is why this clutch pedal is all over the place. The cool thing is we got a new clutch pedal, so I don't have to worry about fighting this bushing out. So that's the same part number, right? Yep, both BMW pedals. So let's get the new bushing in this and then get everything back together. Okay, so I can't really get the whole camera rig under here to show you guys, but this bracket needs to come off to make your life a lot easier. It's just that 10mm bolt, and it connects your, where are we here? Where did you go? Everything's in the way. Connects your clutch master cylinder to the pedal, and as soon as you can get that free, life becomes so much easier. So this is where the main pedal is, up here. If this would focus, it's up here, and you just slide it off towards the outside of the car, so this way, and it just slides right off. So, and everything else falls in your face, like the springs and the keepers and this thing. So let's put it all back together now. Alright, so we're back over at the bench now, and I figured I would show you the bushings right quick. So, right here on the pedal, the very top of the pedal, where it pivots back and forth, this is where these bushings came from, and you can see they sit together like this. This is exactly how we found them. They are very thin and worn. The other ones that we put in are very thick, and they're made out of poly instead of this really hard plastic. And, but yeah, you can see those two big cracks. So we've already put everything back together. We've already driven the car up and down the road. Drives so much better. Doesn't feel like you're driving some foreign jalopy car, if you want to call it that. So I'll show you guys what the pedal looks like now. Okay, so back in the E36 driver's seat, and I put my lights away, so I'm having to use my flashlight, but it's not 100% centered like I would like it to be. Maybe I'm just so used to the E30s, but it is much more centered and much further back. So, and it actually, the clutch actually starts to engage, whereas earlier it was stuck way out here and then started engaging out here, and that your knee would be up in the steering wheel trying to operate the clutch, and that's just not how it works. So the only thing we have left to do, we'll do this tomorrow. We'll throw the under panel on, and that's about it. So easy peasy. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up the activities for the E36 today. If you guys watch this for instructional purposes and it didn't fulfill your needs, let me know. I'll try to help you as much as I can. Shoot me a comment or a private message, and we'll talk it out. So you can message me on, here's my Snapchat and my Instagram right here. You can message me on those as well. So that's really about it. We have ordered the cowl that goes right here underneath the windshield. That needs to be replaced as well. So when it comes in, we'll make sure that you guys get a video for it. Before I forget, I'm not wearing mine because I knew I was going to get dirty, and I don't want to get my favorite white shirt dirty. Head over to e30stuff.com, get yourself a shirt. They are very comfortable. They're very stylish, and I really love them. The link is down in the description. Click that link, go to the web shop, and pick up a shirt. So with that being said, I hope you guys remember to do awesome, be awesome, and stay awesome. You guys are great. Have a good weekend. I'll see you next time.